Hi guys, I'm Chef Avi, and in this super quick episode, I'll be showing you how I make my own Ethiopian spice blend. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering its name, Berbere, but I'll write it right here. It's an exotic blend of spices. I'll be toasting few spices and I'll be using some spice powders and I'll blend it all together. It's super simple and this is how I make it. In a dry pan, I'll add in my spices, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorn, fenugreek seeds, cardamoms, cloves, dried red chili, and on low heat, I'll toast it. Make sure to keep it moving and not to let it burn. You can find all ingredient quantities in YouTube description box below. Toasting spices makes it more aromatic. Place it on a clean bowl and let it cool completely. Once cooled, add it in your blender along with some salt, sweet paprika, smoked paprika, dried ginger powder, cinnamon powder, turmeric, and freshly grated nutmeg. Blend it all together and your Ethiopian spice blend is ready. It's that easy. My spice mix is ready. I can keep it in my pantry for months. I'll be using this to make an Ethiopian chicken stew. It's called Doro Wat. Again, I might be butchering the name, but I'll write it right here. If you make this spice mix and if you use it in any of your curries and stews, do let me know. Until then, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.